The problem is that it's hard to tell elderly people to see a doctor just for a hearing test, and this may lead to their hearing loss going undetected.
The birdsong of the Asian stubtail is very high, about 8,000 hertz. It will be inaudible first when age-related hearing loss occurs.
We came up with the idea that we could make a new hearing test experience in nature utilizing those bird songs. To help them find wild birds easily, we created a web-based app that analyzes GPS data, geographic data, and bird habitat data.
It's an application that takes advantage of Japan's geography. Now, the whole country is like a big hearing test device for everyone.